Human chain, a damp squib. The call for human chain protest given by All India Muslim Personal Law Board was short of a chain formation as the police denied permission due to security reasons. It may be noted that the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, the collective body of Muslims, a representative body, had been working towards holding a human chain for some time now. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board gave a call to observe human chain after Friday prayers from every mosque in the city. But this proved futile as the police denied permission according to the sources. Substantial police was deployed at all important mosques as the protesting gathering was confined to mosque compound only. The protesters carried placards in large numbers protesting against the central government move over Waqf Amendment Bill. The protesters raised anti-slogans and stated categorically that no one can interfere into the personal affairs of Muslims as it is governed by Sharia law. They stated that the central government move is seen as a move to grab Muslim assets donated, gifted and acquired by Waqf properties. The gathering in mass was witnessed at Qudus Sahib Eidgah Maidan, which was attended by a large congregation of Muslims who had assembled for Friday prayers. Those protesters categorically stated that the intention of the central government is to rob Waqf properties through legally binding enactment, which is not acceptable to Indian Muslims. According to the sources in All India Muslim Personal Law Board, that today's protest is just a token to a series of protests planned in coming days. Any move by the central government or the state government to confine the protesters only to mosques will be countered effectively as the protesters will come out on streets in large numbers. Eidgah Qudus Sahib grounds had the presence of senior politicians including former Congress MLA R. Roshan Beg and many others.
के चल के एक पब्लिक मीटिंग भी बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे करने का इरादा है। इंशाअल्लाह इसमें अगस्त 3rd वीक में इंशाअल्लाह तय हो जाएगा इंशाअल्लाह। और उसे कामयाब करने के लिए हम आप तमाम से मुसलमाना ने बेंगलोर और मुसलमाना ने कर्नाटका से अपील करते हैं कि वहाँ जम के खूब मुजाहरा करें और बताएं कि हम लोग एक हैं।
भाई ये वक्त कि हम दिखाएं कि एक दूसरे के खिलाफ बोलना छोड़ दें,
4 मिनट
सबको मिलकर चलना है। ये वक्त का तकाजा है। आओ डॉक्टर साहब।
What are your expectations from today's protest here at the Eidgah?
This is a protest, token protest to show that the Muslims of this country, the Muslims of Bangalore city are opposing the bill. We are not for this bill. We are, All India Personal Law Board has appealed to oppose, and otherwise also we are opposing this bill. We don't want, you are trying to humiliate the Muslims of this country. We are loyal citizens of this country. We also say Bharat Mata ki Jai. But again you are showing us like this. That is not good. So we appeal to withdraw this bill.
You are assembled here to protest against the government on Waqf Amendment Bill. What do you have to say on this?
It is totally anti-Muslim bill. Actually, government doesn't have any authority or any rule as such to interfere in All India Muslim law. Actually, this is the personal property of all Muslims, and actually all Muslims, it belongs to the Muslim community. As such, it's not that it's a general property which the government can acquire. It is the property of Muslim people who have been donated this property to their, children or to the Waqf. So it is a personal thing which government doesn't have any say in this, and we totally object to this amendment bill, and we don't encourage these things to in our personal law board.
Here at Eidgah, what is your say in this?
The reason for this protest is it's totally against our Muslim rights. So the government has no rights to get involved in our Waqf trust, which is there. So they have no rights to get involved and make laws against which is taking our land away. which is going to take our land, like our mosques, dargahs, which is going to take our property away. So that is the reason it's peaceful protest.
How far you are likely to go ahead with this?
There are people like the Muslim judge lawyers who are going to Supreme Court. Let's see where it goes. We can just do protest.